I am so Chicago, baby, like the sun times. Fun time, not a long time. I don't know what the fuck going on, man. Shout out to them autos, man. I want you, total one time. I am so Chicago, baby, like the sun times. I'm here for a fun time, not a long time. Remember I was moving dope in them lunch lines. I want you, total one time. I am so Chicago, baby, like the sun times.
Yo, what up, family? It's your boy Liltrav. Wait, slow your roll, shorty. Slow your roll. You dig? And I'm back in another YouTube video today. It might be like a little vlog or whatever. Yeah, today might be like a little vlog. It's like 12:50 actually. It's 12:50 and it's hot.
Jesus Christ.
Look at my hair. I need to get my hair done. But it is hot out here. Let me see the degrees. It's 81. 81 out here in Chicago. And it's super hot. But today I gotta go get a little fuse. Look, this little, cause with my car I don't got like an aux cord or like an automatic Bluetooth, so I have to buy a Bluetooth and put it like in a cigarette part so I could play my music, whatever. But I'm guessing the fuse for the cigarette thing don't work, and I had to take the fuse thing out. I don't know if y'all can see, but this how it look. I had to take the fuse thing out, and I gotta go buy another one right now. So I'm gonna go to AutoZone and buy another one and see what it works. But if it don't work, then I'm gonna have to take my car to the shop so they could tell me what's wrong with it, and then I'm gonna have to probably pay for it. You feel me? Alright, so look, y'all, I end up not even going to AutoZone because my mama told me I could go buy the same fuse that they sell at AutoZone, like the same, hold on, like these same little, y'all see it, these same little pieces of fuse at AutoZone. They sell the same ones at the gas station, and it's a gas station like a block away from my crib, so I went to go buy some or whatever. I was trying to buy one of these individually because they say it's only $1, but I wasn't tripping because this thing little as hell. But yeah, only $1 or whatever. So I'm like, alright, bet. But he couldn't find a yellow one. Like, so with the fuse, this one on here, it's a yellow one. It say 20 on there. All of them got numbers. All of them got numbers. So you got to get the right number and the right color for the fuse that's not working or whatever. You got to get the right one. You can't just put any one up in there because that might have fucked your car up or whatever. But he was in there looking whatever, and he couldn't find the yellow 20. So I'm like, all right, so what else y'all got? So he went to the top shelf and he brung this out. These got like all the fuels in here, but this costed $250 or whatever, when I could have just paid $1 for just one, but he couldn't find it. So I'm like, all right, whatever, I'm gonna just take the just pay that $250 to get the fuse because I need it, whatever. I need to listen to my own music. And look, this how, like, look, hold on. This the radio. You see, ain't no aux or none of that on here. Ain't no aux, no Bluetooth or none of that. So I got to use this right here, the cigarette part. I could put, hold on, I could put one of these. Let it focus. I could put one of these in there and have Bluetooth, and I can't even charge my phone in here. So I gotta make sure my phone 100% before I even go anywhere. But I could put one of these in there and listen to Bluetooth music and charge my phone at the same time. But I couldn't do that because that fuse is blown. And then there's two of them. There's one right here too. This one don't work either. So I had to go buy that fuse, but I'm finna pop this trunk. But yeah, I'm finna pop this trunk and put this fuse in there. And I'm praying to God that it worked. Because I'm tired of having to stop somewhere to charge my phone or have to sit in the house for like a minute just for my phone to be like a good percentage to charge or whatever, so it won't go dead or none of that. And I'm tired of using speakers. I'm using like regular like house speakers to listen to my own music, because I don't really like listen to the radio. Radio play the same music. Once my speaker go dead, and that's one thing too. When the speaker go dead, curtains. Soon as the speaker go dead, it's over with. Once the speaker go dead, man, it's over with. It's curtains. And then I'll be having to listen to the radio. I know all the radio songs. People be mad because they be like, how I know Megan Thee Stallion, Beyonce, Savage. Know that whole song because of the radio. It play, I swear, like I say, my job 30 minutes away from my crib or whatever. And out of that 30 minutes, that song plays at least, I say 4 times back to back. It plays at least 4 times back to back. So I know that whole song already. I be in here jamming. I low-key need to download that song. But I'm finna pop this trunk and put this fuse in here and praying to God that it worked. See y'all. Alright, so y'all look, I just popped the trunk. I mean, popped the front or whatever. Yeah. It feel amazing out here with this little breeze. Ooh, shit, I almost fell. Look, and then this the fuse box that I took that fuse from. Right here. But hold on, I need my other hand to hold this up. But yeah, this the fuse box right here. Let me take this off. You see, I took it. See, look. Let it focus. You see, this one say 30, 40, 30, 30, 50, 30, 40. That's 30. That's why I got the 20 from. This little open space right here. That's why I got that little fuse, the 20 from. Then you see the rest of these 15, 15, 10, 10. So you gotta get the right fuse for the you gotta get the right number and the right you gotta get the right number and the right color for the fuse. And here go these little fuse right here. But hold on, y'all. Let me get this straight. Set this up one time. I probably can't see me because it's too much light or whatever, but I'm finna open up these up and praying to Jesus. Oh, and from, hold on, where's that? Hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, so look, this the old fuse. Hold on, let it focus. It's not gonna focus, but this the old one. But look, if y'all can see in the inside of this yellow part right here, it's broke. So I see why it wasn't working. I'm thinking, cause yesterday when I took it out, I'm like, why it's not working? I ain't see that at first. So then I just looked at it today. Actually, I just looked at it today. And it's broke or whatever, so that don't work. But now, since I got a new one, it should work. This thing hard to open too. I ain't trying to waste them.
6.5 hours later.
Cause I'm gonna need to use the rest of them just in case anything else run out. I don't gotta buy no more. So I'm gonna save these. And y'all gonna keep hearing police sirens. This Chicago. Something happen every day. And I live on the west side too. I live on the west and I'm from the west side. So you gonna automatically keep hearing police sirens. Alright, so look, I finally got it open. But it say 20 on there. It say 20 or whatever. And these two different yellows. Oh, I wish y'all could see this. I wish y'all could see this. But these two different yellows. And shit, I hope it worked. So look, let me put this one in here. Let me put this in here. There we go. Now, I don't know if I could just push it in with my hand, but I should be able to. Oh, I forgot. It's like a little, right? And like, say if you got like a fuse box in your car, whatever, it's always a little thing right here to pull them out. It's always that in here to pull them out, but I can't even get this one. Oh, okay, there we go. You just clamp it on there and then you just pull like that. You see it's on there or whatever, but I'm gonna push this back in because I need this. I'm trying to push it all the way down without breaking it. I'm guessing that's the farthest it could go. But if that's the farthest it could go, then hey, I'm gonna put this back on, cause I don't know if I turn the car, if that's not on, I don't know what's gonna happen. Cause I don't really know nothing about cars like that. Oh, I gotta put this back. But I'm praying to God that this works, cause I'm really gonna get the whole radio taken out and get a whole new radio, but until then I still need some music to listen to instead of listening to the radio all the time. I know all the songs on the radio, they play the same songs. That fuse box on, I can leave that open. So hold on, let me sit y'all up here. Alright, now look, let's try this. I hope this works. I swear to y'all, I hope this works perfectly fine. Hold on. Okay. Now, I'm gonna try to put this in there. It came on, y'all. And when that come on, look, when that come on, that means it works. So now let me go to, what y'all let's say, 87.9. 87.9. So let me go to 87.9. Oh, that's the volume. .9. And now let me connect my phone. Look, it's gonna say M7. It should be M7.
Is connected successfully.
Yeah, I'll hit her. Hold on. It works.
Posted in front of the trap, selling dope till the sun come down. Take a fuck nigga right off the map, when I hit him with this whole 100 round.
Alright, hold on. got a little bit too excited. Now let me see if this charger piece works. It should work though. If that's working, the charger piece should work. Hold on. Let's see. Y'all heard that? Charger piece is working. So that means we valid. I'm valid now. So until then, I'm gonna be using this. I'm gonna be using this little till then I'm gonna be using this little Bluetooth right here until I get enough money to take all of this whole front, take this whole little front out and give me a whole touchscreen radio or whatever. But until then, I'm good. But hold on, let me call my homie and his daddy, because they the one helped me out. They the one told me like what to do, where the stuff at, all that. So let me call them real quick. My homie Torres. I've been knowing him since 3rd grade. Hold on, take the Bluetooth out.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
You at work? Hey, it worked. Yeah, I went to go buy the fuels from the gas station. You know, on the old one, it was broke in the middle. Yeah, so I went to go buy a new one, and now it's working. Look, the thing coming on and everything. Yeah, I'm in it now. I'm valid or whatever, charging my phone and everything. Alright, folks. Love. You too. Yeah, we valid now. We valid. Oh, bro. But what is I'm gonna do today? Today, I'm supposed to be meeting up with this girl. Hold on, let that focus. Focus. Today, I'm supposed to be meeting up with this girl today, and I don't know if I want to show y'all whatever. It ain't like we talking like that. Like that's gonna be my girlfriend today. We just cool vibes. You feel me? That's just how it is or whatever. But today I'm supposed to be meeting up with her. She out right now, so she said later on today. So I'm supposed to be meeting up with her, and I don't know if I'm gonna show y'all. I should vlog it. I don't know if I should vlog it or not, but I don't know. Comment down below what y'all think I should do. That's gonna be a separate video. I'm gonna put this video up, and then depending on what y'all saying, I'm gonna vlog it. But depending on what y'all saying in the comments, I'm gonna think about uploading it. But if y'all not saying y'all want to see it in the comments, then I won't upload the video. I'm gonna vlog it or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all later though.